Hey guys, what's up? I'm just here to tell you pretty much, about the Raycon E-25s. It's not a review. It's personally just my opinion, how I feel about it. And the main reason I want to talk about it is because I guess the paint or whatever, the material that the cover is just fucking soft. Like, I don't know, that's basically the main reason why I was like, shit, I'm gonna make a video, post it, because I just love how it feels. It's kind of like, you know how shit feels when you're on ecstasy? That's the cool thing, that it's like, whoa, it's that nice, but I'm not on ecstasy. I haven't done these since fucking, what? It's been probably a decade, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, it just feels so good. Besides that, I thought it was a good deal. It comes like, in the mail. It took less than a week when I ordered it. It was like around 40, 45, something like that. Cool box, I mean, fancy box. Little magnetic thing, but yeah, comes, like extra headphones, like, extra, plugs, for the ears, like different sizes. Little box that comes in there. I mean, it's nice presentation, especially, like 40, 45 bucks, something like that. So, in the box, you get this stuff. See, basically, it's like the different sizes of, like, the little things you put on the headphones, whatever their technical name is. These guys. But, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what this looks like, by the way, when you get, like, see, this cover, in addition of feeling super nice and, like, soft, silky, smooth, it's like, ooh. It's also the battery, so like it hold, you could recharge this box gives you about, when fully charged, it gives your headphones about 6 hours recharging. If you got them just, by themselves, I think it's about an hour and a half. So yeah, it's been lasting me about an hour and a half. I mean, of continual. In between, like when you're taking the bus to go to work, come back from work, that kind of shit. Definitely longer than that. Like, sometimes it'll last me a whole day, just like, but yeah, it's nice. They're nice. The only thing is, I do wish that we had access, like, either, like, through an app, that you could access the equalizer, because I would like to be able to have the settings of lowering the bass sound sometimes, like sometimes it's too bassy, so it would be kind of cool to have access to the settings. That's the one thing that I wish they had. But alright guys, again, if you want like an actual like review on the specs, definitely there's like a shitload of fucking reviews out there on YouTube. Again, this is just my opinion, long-winded, but nonetheless, cheers. It's my opinion. Alright, have a good one.